So in this video, we'll see how to fix the drivers related issue in the Windows. So what I mean by that is, if you have any issues with the headphone jack, like if you unplug your headphones jack, it should disappear, and when you plug it back again, it should show up. And it just works totally fine for me. I just fixed it. But just in case, if you had the issue that when you try to plug it in and unplug that back again, at some point it will eventually stop showing the headphones. If you're facing this issue, I think this is the right way for you to find the solution for that. So just recently I've just came to know that the Realtek drivers are just a little bit buggy. I don't know if it's for all the devices, but especially with the Dell devices, I just seen this. So what happens is that if you just keep, plug it in and plug the same headphone jack, then it won't show up. So if you haven't tried these fixes, you just have to first try to fix it using these ways, like the traditional way to just update the drivers. But the problem seems to occur with the new update, is what I feel like. But just in case, to try that fix, all you have to do is just update using this option. You have to search automatically for the drivers, and since it just shows it's already the updated driver, no issues right there. But just in case, if you have a version that needs to be updated, it will eventually show and install that version for you. Just try to check that. Even if that didn't work out, then you might be hitting the same place where I was, because none of them actually worked out. The first time that when I tried to do this, I just actually tried to uninstall the services like the Waves audio that comes within the Dell devices, but none of it actually worked out. And then I just found a fix that did eventually solve this issue. So for that, what you have to do is go to this browse my computer for drivers. And from here, you have to just let me pick a list of available drivers. Just get in there and then uncheck the show compatible hardware. It will reveal a list of all the drivers related to the manufacturer. So from here, you just have to find Microsoft and it goes here. And once you click it, you can just see the right side opens up a new panel with a list of device drivers model. From here, you have to go find the high definition audio device. For me, the version 2003 worked perfectly fine. You just try with the 2023. I just made a mistake. So just try this version. Click next. Just ignore the warnings and then click yes. It will install the drivers and will solve the audio issues for sure. And if it didn't work out, then you can even downgrade to a pretty older version that was listed above. I'll just show it once again. So just got to go to the update driver, browse, and then let the pick, and then search for the Microsoft from the list. And if the first one, if the 2023 version didn't work out for me, just try to downgrade even to 2001. If none of them actually worked out, just let me know in the comment section. So it will fix the issue, because I just had the same issue and it did eventually fix me. And now you can see I'm just unplugging my device and then I'm just trying to plug it back again. And I'm just doing this continuously and it works perfectly fine. So if you had the same issue, it will eventually work. And just a quick tip, after you downgraded that, you can once again try to update the driver. After you downgraded the driver, just go with the search automatically. It will install a new updated version, not the 2023 version. And sometimes, for me at least, it did actually work when I tried to downgrade and upgrade the driver. If it didn't work out, just stick with the 2023 version. It will be totally fine. And just in case, if you know what's the reason that is causing this driver issue, when we plug in the drivers, when we plug in the audio jack headphones, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.